Welcome back to another Clica video, man.
Welcome back to the Clica Show.
To the Clica Show, man. Where we at right now?
Okay, Parker's.
Y'all probably wondering, like, what the fuck? Why we vlogging at the Parker's at night? Oh, damn, what you want?
What you want, bro? Hold on.
I don't want $1 already, man.
Look at that. What I tell y'all, bro, that's money.
$1?
Shit, I want my $2 back.
Oh, hell yeah.
But anyway, man. Y'all probably wondering, what the fuck we just vlogging at the Parker's? But we finna go on a road trip to North Carolina. Finna pick up a little new unit on the way.
New unit? Yeah, so this video gonna be a little more lit than the other one. Shit. Maybe not little, but it's gonna be more entertaining.
Yeah, like more entertaining. Y'all about to see the new truck I'm finna get.
New truck, what is it, a $5 hour ride?
5 hour drive.
Uh-huh, hell
Hey.
yeah. What, bro?
I told y'all I'm coming back, bro. Told y'all I'm coming back.
He back. But yeah, right now we're in the Pottsville, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, this is my daily right here too. I copped this one, but like, you know, I'm trying to get one for tacuachara and shit.
Oh yeah, the tumbado and shit. Yeah. Nah, but yeah, there's a Pottsville right here.
La troca del papá.
Yeah,
El jefe.
Daddy's money. I'm daddy.
He running on the foes too.
He on the fold, bro. Could play with that, man.
And they got little inch and a half.
Trees.
No, they got inch and a half. What is it called?
Spacers.
Spacers on there too.
Spacers. Hell yeah, but right now we pumping gas, trying to fill up a little bit. Shit, we probably like 10 minutes away from my dad's crib or his crib. Finna ride out to North Carolina, and we'll catch you on the way.
Bet.
You gotta motherfucking feel this shit, boy.
What you getting, bro? What you getting?
Huh?
What you getting right now? Nah, what you gonna drink? What you gonna drink? Something to drink. What you gonna get?
Shit. Probably like. Nah, I need me Red Bull, bro.
A little Red Bull.
About a whoop.
For the trip. Hold on, man. For the trip. What kind, bro? What kind you be getting, bro?
Watermelon.
Oh, hit it with the watermelon. Watermelon. Where it, Wiggler? Hola, güero. What you getting, bro? What you getting?
No agüita porque todavía está tight shit.
Boy, if you don't get
This nigga.
Yeah.
This nigga. Cal. What happened, bro?
What you mean?
Nigga, why you leaving, bro?
I got hurt in the little soccer field, man.
Shit.
Trying to break me, but
Cagas.
yes, sir.
I want with a little. What you say, bro?
What y'all think?
England. That's your side over there, bro.
We'll get $10.
Which one you getting, Widow?
Shit.
They ain't a bitch in there. Which one you getting?
Probably this one, probably.
That one?
Yeah. What you
Hell
want?
yeah.
What you want?
I want. Let me get. How many is in there? How much money you got right there?
Shit,
$8.
it was 9.
Oh, 9.
Yeah, you make $5, huh?
Yeah, you jumping the jackpot?
Hey, we're finna hit jackpot, bro. We're finna hit jackpot. Cop.
Alright, we can get this one.
Yeah, give me that like. Get that like 3 times.
Shit, let's get all 4.
Okay, go get it off 4. Hell yeah. Yeah, but say
Shit, I thought we was gonna get scammed.
you got $1 more, bit. What you doing?
Shit.
Which one, babe? Which $1? Which $1 do you think?
I'll do that one.
Do that one. Do it. Nah, the one up top. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the $1 right there. Oh wait, you're gonna win up to 5,000. For real.
Yo los veo, la clica que no me extrañe, pues acá nos vemos.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Where we at, bro?
I guess North Carolina, bro. It's fucking cold as shit.
It's cold, huh?
Yeah. Georgia wasn't out here.
Nah, bro. Nah. Where we at, bro? Where we at?
Shit, I don't even know.
No,
McDonald's
like
up
the city, twin.
Nah, no city, bro.
What's the city called?
Oh, shit.
You cold, huh?
Oh God, bro.
It's too cold out here, huh?
It's too cold, bro. That's why I can't. That's why I'm in Georgia and Statesville.
Hey, we stay in Georgia, man. It's kind of cold out here. Shit, hell no, this ain't it, bro.
Hell no.
We them good old country boys. Huh? What?
Oh, damn, I just farted.
Oh, bro, you.
Oh yeah, but we in Oak Grove.
You see that? Right at Old Grove, bro. Oh shit. Oh. You tired, bro? You tired?
I'm tired, nigga.
You drove what? 2 hours, bro? You already
You
tired?
said 2 hours.
How far is it? How far is it?
5, nigga.
Huh?
This shit 5 hours.
How many hours you got left?
Fucking 1 hour and 20 something.
Oh, I get it to you. I get it to
3
you.
hours and 11 minutes.
Oh yeah, bro. Tell them what we did with the tailgate, bro.
So how about we drove like an hour and a half with the damn tailgate down, bro? And there's shit back there.
The tailgate was down. This motherfucker left the tailgate down the whole time, bro.
Hey,
How slow can you be?
So,
Shit, well, I ain't put it down, did I?
huh?
I ain't put it down. Wait, man. Let me see how much point of gas, bro.
Like, he's drinking.
Clear as camera.
Oh shit.
That's it, no way. That's it.
I think so. What's that? Damn,
How much you put in?
50?
We
I'm
better.
about to get my dollar or something.
Ain't no way they be food. Tell me about the ride, bro.
What, right? I'm gonna get money first.
All right, tell me.
Got 21 bitches, I must be a 7. Cooking in the kitchen, it don't smell like ass. Pouring this.
A la verga, el mero Chris. What's up, dog? How you been?
Chilling, bro. Chilling.
Chilling. Oh God,
It
bitch.
ain't cold.
How y'all deal with this shit, bro? Shit cold as fuck.
NC.
Bitch, Georgia way, that shit was like fucking 79 a day.
Was it?
Hell yeah.
It ain't that bad though, is it? But it's like 70 degrees. No, my man. Y'all cold like
Nigga,
that?
look, I came in short. Oh, you in shorts
Yeah,
too?
I'm in shorts too.
Hell yeah.
Oh, it's 50. Oh, it's 52. Still here.
Damn, what we can't do today, bro?
I guess boys can't cash me out.
Damn, is that right there?
Yeah.
Can't get them a knowing.
I love you. You the plug, really?
Man,
He had my old truck, or he has my truck.
Straight out of Texas.
Su puta vida.
But that's her.
Damn, HT, straight from the HTX, bitch.
No, it's right here.
¿La prendo o qué?
Yeah, you can.
Aprende, dame aprendí, a ver what it's doing, what it's talking about.
Cold as motherfucker.
Yeah, I always do.
That bitch is loud. That bitch loud as hell. Damn. That bitch sounds.
Viviendo vida indiana, recuerdo que antes no había.
The hood needs to be clean like he. The guy that had it, he had it on a lighter rack. But you know, I was gonna paint it. So tiene esa spot.
It needs just some touch-up paint, really.
Yeah.
Just shit, little touch-up.
But I got the second battery, and that's new. And I got the big 3, so it's hooked up. So I mean, you can play it all day. No le pasa nada. The steering pump, the only reason it's rusty is because when they swapped the motor, it rained and shit. So you had that. But everything else is clean.
Damn, Chris, how long you own this truck, bro? Before you did all this shit, and what all did you do to it, bro?
I think I've had it a month.
A month?
And I done went through it. I put the whole front end. I changed just the door handles, small stuff. Audio, I don't know if you saw the audio.
Yeah, audio, hell yeah, a bit loud as hell.
Yeah. And,
Yeah, hell yeah.
that's pretty much it. All the rest of the stuff was coming next, but
Shit, it's gone.
he said he wanted it, yeah.
Hell
And
yeah.
on this, I bought it at C, but I have back here, I got a brand new one.
The Valence.
I got a brand new one here. The bolts for the bumper are there. You sell like rear camera because it has the leg bumper.
Puro 587, huh?
The spindles are right here.
Puro 587, I'm like, I got cut.
But, the rear bumper is good. This side has
I ain't gonna lie, it's cold as hell, here, boy. My ass freezing my ass off. Hey, but this truck is clean, though. Yeah. It's pretty clean. Needs a little, like, touch up area, like here and there, little cosmetics, but they'll get it right. The bass sounds good, and it's loud as hell, bro.
They're all brand
we're gonna be taking it back home and riding up. I guess they've been in the single cab game.
I guess so, bro.
I guess so, bro. Hell yeah. Go on a little test ride. See what it now, bro. That bitch loud as hell.
Should I go take a right?
Take it right, yeah. Huh?
Bring your cover back.
There go that boy Chris. There, I guess you catch him out, huh?
I guess I cashed him out. Overlook.
Sheesh. New owner.
New owner.
Like, yeah. You ready to throw your wheels on?
On God.
Hey, yeah, y'all say.
We got the bumper. I mean, it's back there, so.
Yeah, the bumper back there. Y'all stay tuned for the next video when we throwing his wheels on. And for right now,
Just wait.
just wait. It's cold as fuck.
It's cold as hell. Look at it go. Yeah.
Shit, what you think, bro? What? Sheesh. New build.
New build.
He back.
That bitch is loud.
Cut that bit on real quick. Cut that bit on real quick. Ah, beer. Let's see. That bit crazy. That bit crazy. That bit crazy.
Who wants smoke on the gas?
Who want to smoke? No. Well, yeah. Let them know we're finna ride out, bro.
Alright, man. We finna ride out. Appreciate Chris, man, for selling it to me.
Hell yeah. He was in the middle of building it. But shit. My boy Derek said, let me catch you out. That boy Chris came through. He about to get him something new too.
I guess he finna get something new. I don't know what he finna get, but that's what he said.
Yeah.
Alright. But we're gonna see you on the next video though.
Hey.
Video, man.
Oh, and one more thing. I did say at 500 subscribers we was gonna do a giveaway.
Oh yeah.
We're still gonna do that. Y'all stay tuned on the La Clica page on Instagram. We're gonna be getting out details on that. And shit. Y'all never know, y'all can win.
All you gotta do is just be subscribed, bro.
Subscribe, follow the page, and tag I'm probably do tag 3 friends.
Yeah.
That's about it.
That's all you gotta do to win.
Hell yeah, that's all you gotta do. And shit, for the free skis really? Come on, we can't beat it.
Get it, man.
Like a limp, you can't beat it. But anyway, we're gonna end the vlog right here. Y'all see David, new wheel.
New wheel, man.
And we out of here.
A la verga Lady Gaga, chúpame la riata, brete de patas.